Hi everyone, welcome back. As you can see, I've got a battery in front of us, which was out of a jump starter. The jump starter I thought was actually originally faulty, so I took it apart to do my recycling bit, take the battery out so I could dispose of it properly. But curiosity settled in, so I got my battery charger, 12-volt battery charger, hooked it on and charged it. It actually did charge and hold its charge, so I still don't know where the fault was. It could have been in the circuit that was in the jump starter, but I didn't diagnose it. I just took it apart just to dispose of it. So once I got the battery out, I thought I'd keep the crocodile clips from the jump starter just in case, they can come in handy. They're pretty big. I'd make my own jumper cables. But after I found that this fully charged and maintained its charge, I stuck them on. So I had an issue, car won't start, so I took it outside just to try it out. Didn't work. So I brought it back in. I thought, it may be still faulty. So I left it alone and then I looked at the terminals here, and they seem to be a bit wobbly. So next thing I'm going to do is take those off and put these terminals on. Recrimp it. So I've bought myself a new little tool, which is a hydraulic crimper. 10 gauge crimpers in there. I think it's 10 gauge. I think these cables are 10 gauge. So what I'm going to do is take these terminals off and then recrimp it all, cut it back, recrimp it, and then see what happens then. So let's get that done. So what we'll do is take the terminals off, 8mm. So need a adjustable there. That's one. Right, that's disconnected. As you can see on the meter, it's still charging as it's still maintaining. And it's still at 13 or 14 volts. So I've got the crimp in already, got the wire in. So what I'm going to do is crimp it and then show you after. There we go, that's crimped. Focus. Let's tidy it up a bit. That's a lot better, and it's solid. There we go, now we've got that one done. I'll do the other one off camera, and then we'll heat shrink it and then stick it back on the battery. There we go, both of them are crimped up. I'm going to heat shrink them, stick them on there, and try it out after. The battery's still maintaining its 12 volts. It's off the charger, it's not charging now, but there we go. That's one tightened up. And that's two. There we go, a lot better. So what I'm going to do now is just check that the voltage is actually coming through the crock clips. So, negative, and positive. And there we go, over 12 volts, and it's still holding the charge. So we know the car won't start. We've got the jump pack outside that we did earlier. So I'm going to connect it up and then try and start it. So connect up the positive, negative. Now we're going to start it. Remove the negative. And there we have it. It worked. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe.